Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you a new lesson. Lesson number 17. Pearly hair, teeth and healthy body. So, let's see now. How many children in your class have lost a tooth or two? So, how many children in your class have lost a tooth in a tooth? Will those who have lost some teeth get new ones? So, everybody can tell me. People lose their teeth when they grow old. Do they also get a new teeth? Pearly teeth. Pearly teeth means what? Means it is a clean. Means it is a clean teeth. And if your teeth is clean, then you should maintain your body healthy. So now let's see grandfather's new teeth. Grandfather's new teeth. We had all gathered to play in the evening. Subhash had not come. Subhash had not come. We had all gathered to play in the evening. We had all the gather means what? They are playing in the evening. So he had gone with his grandpa to the dentist. So Subhash had not come, and Subhash went to his father with a grandpa with a dentist. 3 months ago, grandpa teeth had all been removed. 3 months ago म्हणजे काय झालं 3 महिने झाले त्यांचे दात सगळे काढलेलं होतं. It was to get his dentures today. Dentures today म्हणजे काय आपली सगळी दात किती असतात 32 पूर्ण दाताची. So he had to put a new teeth. So Monica Tai told us such dentures look like a real, but the teeth are actually false. But the teeth are actually false. It is not a real. मीन्स काय सगळे दात पडलेले म्हणून आजोबाने काय केलं ते दात सगळं काढलं आणि दाताची सगळं 32 दात असतात आपल्याला सगळे मिळून ते पूर्ण सगळे दात करून घेतले नवीन बसवण्यासाठी. सो अहमद हू इज इन द फर्स्ट स्टँडर्ड प्रॉम्प्टली आस्क्ड व्हाय गेट फॉल्स टीथ माय ब्रदर टीथ ऑल्सो फेल. व्हाय गेट फॉल्स टीथ माय ब्रदर्स टीथ ऑल्सो फेल. बट दे ऑल ग्रू अगेन. बट दे ऑल म्हणजे लहान जी मुलं लहान असतात टिल 3rd to 4th त्यांचे काय होतात दुधाचं दात असतात ते आणि ते दुधाचं दात पडल्यावर त्यांना नवीन येतात. पण त्यानंतर आफ्टर 10 means for 1 year till 10 year the teeth are coming again, but after 10 the teeth are not coming. So but they all grew again. Won't Subhash grandfather get new ones like him? That made everyone laugh. That makes everyone laugh. सगळेजण हसायला लागले. Monica Tai explained to Ahmad, the teeth that we get when we are babies are called milk teeth. म्हणजे काय आपण लहान असताना जेव्हा लहान बाळ असतात तेव्हा ते दात येतात ते दुधाचे दात असतात. So what we call them milk teeth. They start falling when we are 7 or 8 years old. After that we get new teeth once again. After that म्हणजे आपल्याला काय जेव्हा लहान मुलं खेळतात हे करतात तेव्हा दात पडतात तेव्हा we get a new teeth. We miss if it is fallen down we get a new one teeth. These are called permanent teeth. When these teeth fall we don't get any new ones. जेव्हा परमनंट टीथ दुधाचं दात पडून गेल्यावर आपल्याला दात नवीन येतात आणि ते दात जर चुकून पडलं तर परत आपल्याला दात येत नाही. बालू wonder so what we if we don't get new teeth again, why should we get false one? Why we should get false one? Monica Tai said, Balu, you are in the 3rd standard. Aren't you? Several of your classmates must have lost their teeth. You have also lost some. Don't you have trouble eating and talking? The Balu remember, oh yes, you are right. I love guavas. Guavas म्हणजे काय पेरू. But now I can't eat them. कारण त्याच्या समोरचा एक दात पडलेला असतो आणि त्याला ते पेरू खाताना त्रास होतो. मॅरी टीज हिम त्याची एक मैत्रीण त्याला चिडवत होती दात पडल्यामुळं. अँड यू नो बालू कॅन से आयदर मीन्स what he do Subhash don't do the anybody will if anybody falls teeth front then if anybody tell you do the if you do the shoe you can see your this fallen teeth. So Balu can say shoe either his front teeth are missing When he tires, it sounds like a whistle. When he tries, he sounds like a sh. तो शू जेव्हा करायला जातोय तेव्हा ते विसल सारखं आवाज येतो. एव्हरीवन लाफ्ड अगेन. एव्हरीवन सगळेजण त्याला हसायला लागली. Now you know why it is so important to look after permanent teeth, said Monica Tai wisely. Just then Subhash and his grandpa returned, and grandpa smiled at us. His new dentures were shining bright. His new dentures were shining bright. Can you tell? Many people lose their teeth when they grow old. When they grow old म्हणजे काय? जेव्हा ते म्हणजे खूप वय गेलेलं असते भरपूर. But some people, when they lose their teeth, they can't get a new teeth. But some people lose their permanent teeth quite early. What could be the reason for that? What could be the reason for that? कारण काही जणांचं दात लवकर पडतात, पण असं पण आहे की काही जणांचे दात पडत पण नाही आहे, खूप स्ट्रॉंग असतात. टेकिंग केअर ऑफ आवर टीथ. आफ्टर इटिंग समथिंग वी शुड वॉश आवर माउथ, scrub our teeth inside and outside with a finger. After eating something, we should wash our mouth, scrub our teeth. जेव्हा तुम्ही जेवायच्या आधी तुम्ही हँड वॉश करायचं. Whenever you are eating, you should wash your mouth with your finger. We should put your finger inside and outside and with a finger, and we should scrub it. पाणी घेऊन गुळणी करून बाहेर टाकायचं. Then we should swill plenty of water in our mouth and rinse it well 4 or 5 times. जेवून झाल्यावर आपण चूळ भरतोय ना, पाणी भरपूर घेऊन आपण चूळ भरतो आणि ते बाहेर टाकतोय. इफ यू डू नॉट डू दॅट, पार्टिकल्स ऑफ फूड रिमेन इन द माउथ. इफ यू नॉट वॉश युअर आफ्टर इटिंग युअर दिस थिंग food, and if you not rinse your mouth, what will be happen? If you not get particles of food, it remain in the mouth. They stick to our teeth and tongue. Stick our teeth. दाताकडे पण भाजी कोणी खाल्लेलं असते. Tongue. Then they get stuck in between the teeth, and if they remain there, the teeth became to rot. It became to rot. Then we get bad breath. Bad breath म्हणजे काय? घाण वास येतो. And that is the mouth smell bad. The smells bad. If it is happen often, the gums are also affected. The gums, दाताच्या खाली वरचं ते पिंक भाग असतो आपल्या आत, तर काय होते? गम्स आर ऑल्सो अफेक्टेड. ते मे यूज ब्लड अँड पस. म्हणजे काय? रक्त येतात, काही जणांच्या दातातनं रक्त येतात, वरती असं पस होतं आहे. दिस फॉल सबस्टन्सेस गो इन टू अवर स्टमक्स. म्हणजे काय होतं आहे? दॅट ब्लड्स कॅन गो इन टू अवर स्टमक अँड देन वी कॅन फॉल इन. Because of the rotting particles in the mouth, our teeth decay and slowly the teeth become loose, and it is the end they fall. We must avoid this. For that, we must brush our teeth in the morning and before going to bed. In the morning also and before going to bed at night, we must also clean our gums and tongue. म्हणजे काय? झोपण्याच्या अगोदर सकाळी उठल्यावर ब्रश करायचं आणि झोपण्याच्या अगोदर आपण ब्रश करून झोपायचं. देन नीम और बाबुल स्टिक आर समटाइम यूज फॉर क्लीनिंग टीथ. इन ओल्डन थिंग नीम्स और बाबुल स्टिक. सम ऑफ द पीपल दे आर यूजिंग स्टिल नीम और बाबुल स्टिक टू क्लीन देयर टीथ. सम पीपल बाय टूथ पाउडर फ्रॉम द मार्केट और मेक इट एट होम. Many people use a toothbrush and toothpaste. Many people are using toothbrush and toothpaste. Now the people are using a toothpaste, but some of them also using the powder. So neem and babul sticks or homemade tooth powder do not clean well from the gaps between our teeth. Also tooth powder can be rough. Tooth powder काय असते? rough असू शकते. While the neem or the babul stick are hard, they are very hard. They can injure our gums. They can injure well. तुम्ही ते दाताला असं दात जेव्हा तुम्ही ब्रश करतात विथ अ स्टिक, ते हार्ड असल्यामुळे ते लागू पण शकतात, रक्त पण येऊ शकतं. यूजिंग अ ब्रश अँड टूथपेस्ट वी कॅन क्लीन द गॅप्स बिटवीन द टीथ प्रॉपरली. Besides, the foam of the toothpaste help and particles stuck between teeth come to loose and get washed away. Use your brain, which is the best method for washing your mouth clean. Why? So find out this answer. Then try this. Take a glass beaker. Say a student, take a glass beaker half full of water. Tell any student of your class to wash his or her hand in his beaker of water. एक बकेट घ्या, त्यात पाणी ठेवा आणि त्यात हात धुवायला सांगा. Then look at this her and hand. See if the water in the beaker has changed in any way. ते पाणी घ्या, स्वच्छ पाणी असते ते आपण हात धुतल्यावर त्या पाणीचा कलर कसा होतोय ते बघायचं तुम्ही. What do you see? The hand that were washed in the beaker become clean. The water in the beaker looks slightly muddy. Look like a muddy brownish color. You will find that the same thing happen no matter which is your classmate. Try this. What does this tell us? All day while playing or walking, our hands become dirty. जेव्हा तुम्ही खेळतात, कुठं पण बाहेर असं कुठं पण हात लावतात, आपला हात घाण झालेला असेल. While before eating, you should always wash your hand. So we must wash our hand before we eat. So, do you know, sometimes when we get scratches or wound, the bleeds, people apply wet mud to the injury. But it is wrong to do so. It infects the cut or wound which may start oozing pus. म्हणजे म्हणजे अगोदरची जुनी माणसं काय करायची, काय पडलं तर काय करायचं, माती घ्यायचं आणि त्याच्यावर ते लावायचं. But it is wrong. You should first wash that it and then only use the tube to use it. Then keeping our body clean. See here student, remember it is for us to keep our body clean. So if we eat with a unclean hand, the dirt and the hand goes into our stomach. We can get a stomach upset. Means we get a pain. So we must not forget to wash our hand before we begin to eat. जेवणापूर्वी तुम्ही अगोदर हँड वॉश चांगला हात धुवून घ्यायचा आहे, मगच जेवायला बसायचं आहे. कोण असं हात न धुता जेवायला बसलं की काय होतंय, सगळी नकाची घाण परत हात घाण असलेलं ते आपलं सगळं जंतू आपल्या पोटात जातात. Just as it is necessary to keep our teeth clean, it is important to keep our hair and nails clean too. Means you should cut your nails if it is a long, then you should cut the nails. Some of the children's nails are also so dirty. We must also keep our sensory organ clean. We must bath every day. We must wash our hair at least once a week. So आठवड्यातनं 2दा तरी आपले केस धुवायलाच पाहिजे. If you don't keep ourselves clean, we may contract different diseases. So who are the really smart one? Everyone brushes their teeth in the morning. But the smart people, they brush their teeth before and they go to bed every single night too. Everyone washes their hand after a meal and then the smart and they wash their hand without fail before a meal. So what we have learned student, the teeth we get when we are small are called milk teeth. They start falling at 7 or 8 years of age. Then we get a new teeth once again. Once again. These are called permanent teeth. If the permanent teeth fall, पडल्यावर काय होते, we do not get new teeth. जेव्हा तुम्हाला परमनंट टीथ म्हणजे काय नवीन टीथ येतात दुधाचं पडल्यावर, तेव्हा काय होते, we do not get a new teeth in that place. So we must take care of our teeth. If our teeth are dirty, foreign substances go into our stomach and we can fall ill. We must wash our hands before we eat. We must keep our hair, our nails, our sense organs and the entire body clean. So I hope students you have understood this lesson. Read this lesson 2 or 3 times. So learn this lesson students. Read this lesson. And now I am going to give Miss growing up and growing old. I had given the question answer and that things. So today I am going to give the hard words and of that lesson meaning also. So read this lesson and see this video. Thank you student.